Usually normal cough will be dry cough. Patient may not be producing any sputum along with that. It will be like a seasonal cough, which we say allergic cough, and which usually subsides on a viral cough, we say, and it usually subsides within 5 to 7 days. Tuberculosis cough may be mucoid. It comes with a sputum. It can come with some blood in your cough, loss of weight, loss of appetite. If these symptoms are also there, maybe some chest pain, if these symptoms are also persisting, then you should get an X-ray or maybe CT scan as advisable by your physician, and you should rule out your tuberculosis. So, in just focus, normal cough may sustain for 5 to 7 days, not more than that. But if it is persisting, then you should look for tuberculosis.
Follow us to stay updated on debates, discussions, facts, and tips about health. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon for latest updates.